Alright, how are you doing, guys? Today I'm in the Discovery Mall area. I will show you guys around how it looks in Kuta, in the Discovery Mall and the beach around. And as you can see, it's super quiet over here, and on the beach is also very quiet. I just parked my bike inside the parking underground, but I don't know even if the mall is open or not. Let's check this out, guys, first. As you can see, super quiet over here. And by the way, if you will ask where is Winnie, unfortunately she couldn't come with me today. She's busy working, so I have to make this vlog by myself. I hope so you will enjoy anyway. So as you can see, the Discovery Mall is almost totally, I mean, it's open, but 75%, maybe 80% of shops are closed. And this video is non-sponsored. I don't sponsor to any brand or something. It's just I'm showing you in the mall how it is. Anyway, super quiet, as you can see. So shortly, this is how it looks, the situation in the Discovery Mall in Kuta. Let me know, guys, if it's interesting or it's boring. If it's boring, just let me know in the comments below, or if you're interested to see the more malls and how is the situation in Bali, because it's in Bali, it's few more big malls. Just let me know. Comment below, please. As you can see behind me, at the front of me, some people are walking and running and stuff like that, trying to enjoy their life. Most of places are closed, but some of them open, like one beach club with seafood in the Discovery Mall, as you saw before. And also this Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotel seems open. I will head into the airport direction and we will see how it is. Over there is the airport. Over there is the Kuta. And now I'm in the Jerman Beach. This is very famous beach in Kuta as well. And the situation here looks more happy, I could say. People swimming in the ocean, flying kites, and this is very close to the airport, by the way. Airport is somewhere here, so I will wait here for the sunset and show you guys around. So, as you can see behind me and everywhere on each side, this beach is definitely a more relaxed vibe and people are more happy and more relaxed. I'm still heading into the airport direction. I wanna see how far can I go. And check this out, it's quite a lot of people over here. They are waiting for the sunset and playing in the water as well. Beautiful. By the way, will be very beautiful sunset today, I guess. So cool guys over there, they just watch the sunset and playing the guitar. Super cool. That's what I really like Bali for. Not only this one, but it's super cool, super easygoing, positive vibes. Anyway, the sunset is over, and in Bali after sunset very quickly it's going very dark. So I'm gonna head back to the Discovery Mall and going home. I decided I will do not go today to the airport area on the beach. It's easy, I can come anytime. Anyway, one interesting thing is the new regulations about the visa from 13th of July till 13th of August, if I'm not mistaken. People who are in Bali, they have to exit the Bali, like Indonesia. Of course, this one who stayed here on the emergency visa, like visa on arrival 30 days only, right? If you bought the extendable one, like for $50, you can extend this and stay 1 month longer. And of course, if you have Kuta social visa and it's still valid, nothing has changed about that, right? Also, the plan by government is as the Indonesian borders will be open starting from 13th of September or 11th of September, sorry, 11th of September. But this is not confirmed statement 100%. This is the plan from the government. Possibly it will be everything, it seems like that's gonna happen. So starting from 11th of September, possibly you can come to Bali on visa on arrival, right? But it's still not more information if you need any test, or you will need to do a quarantine and stuff like that. So still have to keep updating. If we will know any official information from the government, for sure I will make a special episode about that, so stay tuned, guys. Alright, I will go home and finish this vlog slowly because it's getting dark and I'm quite far away from the home. This is a very good place, by the way, where I am now. Can you see the waves crossing the stones? Over there behind me, where is the lights, that's the airport, Bali airport. They still have a construction there. I don't know if they're making the new terminal or something like that. It's already for 2 years and they still keep doing this, so that's a good sign. On this side is the Kuta and Kuta Beach. Yeah, where is the light here? And behind me, oops, here is the German Beach. Alright guys, that will be enough for today's vlog. I hope so you like it. If you like it, thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe and put the bell on so you will get notification. New vlog every day, 7 PM Bali time, GMT +8. And see you tomorrow.